did it. I saved the world. Wow, that movie was amazing. It's a shame that his wife died, but it's fine, I guess. I don't know. Great work, everybody. Great work. That was a good success. Yeah, that was a very good success. Yeah, it was very good, in fact. Well, at least we can start making the movies. What? What? Do you know how much money we made out of that movie? I don't know. Well, John made like 4 billion, Chris. Don't you understand? If we make a second movie, we'll get more money. What? But the main character's dead. How are we supposed to make a second sequel? We'll make a new one. But the author's dying, which is to not another needless sequel. Oh yeah. Well, I'm a new director. Ah! Another movie. What millions number 2? I thought the main character was dead. She. Wait, I'm not dead. The camera just went up. What? Hi, this is my father, and he's very good at his work. But now it's my turn, and I am going to save the world by making a new school. Oh my goodness, they ruined it. Yes, the movie was a success. No, it wasn't. So how many money we got? 10,000. 10,000 million in money? That's what 10,000. 10 million? That's what I just said. 10,000. 10,000? That's what I just said. 10,000. No, 10,000. We only got 10,000 in dollars. What? No, you're joking, right? No. Delete that right now, or else we're gonna get. Hey, somebody's at the door. You're getting sued for $1 million. So give me your contract, and then I own the millions. The millions movie or the money? No, I'm not letting you having my $4 billion. Give it to me now, or else your company is going extinct. Let's just do it. How did we say just you want out here? Fine, here's the money. Oh, thanks. We really need this money. Alright, I'm deleting the second Millions movie, and you're going bankrupt. No!